Giving new life to old furniture that might otherwise have been lost embodies a profound act of creativity and sustainability, creating a tangible connection between the past and present that resonates deeply with today's consumers. In a world increasingly dominated by fast fashion and disposable goods, the resurgence of interest in upcycling furniture serves as a powerful reminder of the value of craftsmanship, history, and intentionality in design. As artisans and DIY enthusiasts breathe new life into worn-out chairs, tables, and cabinets, they not only preserve the physical objects themselves, but also the stories and memories that are intricately woven into the fabric of these pieces. Each restored item carries a narrative that speaks to the time, care, and human experience embedded within it. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. For many, the act of revitalizing old furniture is not merely a project, but a journey to rediscover and honor the past, bringing forth a sense of authenticity that consumers increasingly crave in today's market. The process of transforming old furniture often begins with a meticulous assessment of each piece. Whether it's a vintage dresser that has seen decades of use or a rustic farmhouse table stained with the marks of shared meals, these items have a distinct character that contemporary mass production cannot replicate. Artisans approach their work with an eye for detail, recognizing that the imperfections and wear tell a larger story, reflecting the lives lived around and with these objects. This perspective not only fosters appreciation for craftsmanship, but also allows for creative exploration, as each imperfection can be embraced and highlighted rather than concealed. When artisans choose to restore a piece, they do so with the intention of enhancing its existing beauty while ensuring it remains functional for modern use. This commitment to honoring the original form creates a design ethos that feels both authentic and rooted, allowing consumers to feel a deeper connection to their furniture. Modern consumers are increasingly seeking meaning in the products they choose to bring into their homes. In an age marked by mass production and homogenized design, the narrative of upcycled furniture is refreshing. Customers are drawn to pieces that embody history, character, and a sense of purpose beyond mere aesthetics. This trend resonates particularly strongly with those who prioritize mindfulness in their purchasing decisions, individuals who want their environments to reflect their values and life experiences. By refurbishing old furniture, artisans not only provide unique home decor, but also engage with the desire for meaningful consumption. Each piece becomes a testament to the stories of years gone by, lending a sense of continuity and authenticity to contemporary living spaces. In this context, the past is not something to be discarded. Instead, it is a source of inspiration that fuels innovative design. The techniques employed in revitalizing old furniture vary widely, with each artisan bringing their own flair and vision to the process. Whether it involves refinishing, reupholstering, or creatively adapting pieces for new functions, the journey of transformation is often deeply personal. For example, a simple vintage chair may be given a bold new life through vibrant fabrics and fresh paint, shifting its role from a forgotten relic to a vibrant focal point in a modern home. Similarly, a once clunky side table might be transformed into a chic nightstand, complete with contemporary styling that marries old-world charm with modern functionality. In this way, the results are not only visually appealing, but also practical, proving that old furniture can serve new purposes while maintaining its historical significance. As the process unfolds, the relationship between the artisan and the furniture deepens. The tactile experience of sanding down the wood, the choice of colors, and the meticulous process of assembly create a bond that makes each piece feel special and alive. This connection can transcend into the spaces they inhabit, as customers bring these unique pieces into their homes, allowing them to become part of new memories and experiences. The furniture essentially becomes a bridge between the past and present, embodying the lives of those who have come before while having the ability to adapt to the needs of modern living. In this sense, each upcycled item tells a story of resilience. It represents not just a physical object, but a testament to the philosophy of reusability and the celebration of uniqueness. This approach to furniture design naturally aligns with broader movements towards sustainability and minimalism. As society grapples with issues related to waste and environmental impact, the act of rejuvenating old furniture resonates on a larger scale. Artisans who engage in upcycling advocate for a mindset shift, encouraging a departure from consumption driven by trends and instead embracing pieces with an enduring allure. This mindset speaks to consumers' growing desire to curate their lives with intention, surrounding themselves with items that not only fulfill functional needs, but also speak to their values. In this context, old furniture is bestowed with renewed significance. Rather than being viewed as obsolete, it transforms into an opportunity for innovation. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Moreover, the communal aspect of this movement enriches the experience of furniture revitalization. Many artisans and homeowners share their projects online, fostering a supportive community of creators and enthusiasts who celebrate the shared experiences of transformation. This culture not only encourages individuals to embrace their creativity, but also acts as a source of inspiration for others. Tutorials, tips, and success stories create a network of knowledge that empowers people to explore the process of giving new life to their own forgotten furniture. As they engage with one another, the act of restoration becomes a communal effort, with individuals sharing not only their creations, but also the personal stories that come along with those pieces. This sense of belonging enhances the overall experience and deepens the connection to both the craft and the objects themselves. As each upcycled piece finds a new home, it carries with it the essence of its journey, the artisan's love, the history of the original owner, and the memories it has yet to create. Customers often form emotional attachments to these unique items, viewing them as more than just functional pieces of furniture. Instead, they appreciate the labor of love that went into their transformation, recognizing the importance of maintaining connections across generations. Each piece becomes a source of pride, a conversation starter, and an emblem of sustainability. This emotional resonance is what truly sets upcycled furniture apart from mass-produced items, as it embodies authentic design rooted in craft and intention. In a society increasingly filled with choices that feel fleeting, the revitalization of old furniture offers a refreshing antidote. By seamlessly amalgamating history with modern design, artisans craft pieces that stand the test of time both in durability and emotional significance. This transformation creates a ripple effect that encourages customers to view their belongings differently, inspiring them to consider the stories behind the items they choose to bring into their lives. Ultimately, by revolutionizing their own old furniture and those of others, artisans and homeowners alike foster a culture that values meaning, mindfulness, and a deep human connection to the past. Each transformed piece serves as a celebration of what once was and a nod to what can be, inviting everyone to appreciate the beauty of restoration while embedding their narratives within the fabric of everyday living. In embracing the philosophy of upcycling, individuals contribute to a movement that not only supports sustainability, but also champions the significance of craftsmanship and intentionality in creating a more meaningful world. Thus, in giving new life to old furniture, they become curators of history, shaping the future one cherished piece at a time. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.